Hello everyone, welcome back to VTech Academy, and today we are going to start the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables, and we are going to learn in detail with some previous year questions. The chapter Linear Equations is divided into two major topics. One is the graphical method with the consistency of equations, and second is the algebraic methods, where you solve using two types of major methods, which is substitution and elimination method. Today we'll be covering the basic topics: what is a linear equation, graphical methods, elimination method, substitution method, and the types of solutions. This is a concept heavy lecture, so make sure you watch till the end. So now let's get started. So I have started the presentation, and the first thing we'll be learning for today is graphical method. So in this method we plot both the equations on a graph and find the point of intersection. So the point where the both lines meet is the solution of pair of equations. So the steps needed for this are: we have to express y in terms of x for both the equations. Then we make a table of values for each equation. Then we plot both lines, and then we find the point of intersection, which is the final answer the question is asking. So a short trick is: the lines that cross is one solution, the lines that never meet is no solution, and lines that overlap is infinite solutions. So coming to the three possible cases, the lines can be intersecting, and the solution would be a unique solution, and the type would be consistent. If the lines are parallel, there would be a no solution, and that would mean that it is a inconsistent. And if the lines are coincident, it would mean that it has infinite solutions, and it would be consistent. Consistency of equations. For a pair of equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now when we try to express this in the three cases, intersecting would be a1 by a2, which is not equal to b1 by b2. So when we put this in a division form, we can cancel out y and x, and we can take c to the other side just for our better use. And since the negatives will get cancelled, it will still be c1 and c2. So intersecting would be a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Parallel would be a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. And then we have coincident, which would be a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. Coming to a PYQ, the pair of equations x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 6y plus 15 has. So this is a very important question, as this came in the CBSE 2024 exam. And when we put this in a division form, we can cancel out x, so we get 1 by 3. Then we can cancel out 2 by 6 to give us 1 by 3, and 5 by 15 to give us 1 by 3. So this is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Hence it is a infinitely many solutions. Coming to the next PYQ, pair of linear equations, both linear equations has. This is a very similar question, and hence it is a homework question for you guys. So do solve it and let me know the answer in the comments below. Find the value of k for which the pair of equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and 4x plus ky is equal to 14 as infinite solutions. So the condition for infinite solutions is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this would mean that when we write it in a tabular form or a division form, we get 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by k is equal to 1 by 2. So when we cross multiply k and 3 by k and 1 by 2, we get k is equal to 6. Hence the answer to this question that had appeared in 2020 CBSE exam is k is equal to 6. Algebraic methods. When solving graphically is difficult and inaccurate, we use some algebraic methods. So there are three algebraic methods, but we only have two in syllabus, which are substitution method and elimination method. Substitution method steps are: express one variable in terms of other one from equation, substitute in the second equation, solve for one variable, and substitute back to find the other. So these are pretty simple steps to solve using the substitution method. So let's do it in this one. Solve x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y is equal to 4. So from equation 1 we get x is equal to 5 minus y, and from equation 2 we get 2 multiplied by 5 minus y is equal to 4. So 10 minus 2y minus y is equal to 4. 3y is equal to 6. So when we cancel 3 and 6, we get y is equal to 2, and x will be 5 minus 2 because we had already figured that out, 5 minus y, so x would be 3. Elimination method. The steps include: multiply on both sides to make the coefficients of one variable equal, add or subtract the equations to eliminate that variable, solve for the remaining variable, substitute
back to find the other variable. Coming to example, solve 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So we multiply both by the numbers which makes some common factor and 8y gets cancelled. So we get 14x is equal to 28. So we can cancel out 14 and 28 to give x is equal to 2. Coming to finding y, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. So 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. 4y is equal to 4 and 4 gets cancelled on both sides. So we get y is equal to 1. Hence the final answer would give us x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. This had also come in the CBSE 2020. So it's a very important question. From equation 1, we do this. And we substitute in equation 2. So when you try to solve it, we get minus 24. When you substitute and cancel on both sides, we get y is equal to 5. And x, on substituting y in that, we get x is equal to 11 minus 15 by 2. So x would be minus 2. Hence the final answers are x would be minus 2 and y would be 5. Coming to another PYQ. Solve x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is 4. This is a very simple question as it has already come in CBSE 23 and we had already solved these types of questions. So this is a homework question and do let me know the answer in the comments below. Another question, this is also MCQ based question and it's again very simple. I had also given this for a homework question, so do solve it and let me know the answer in the comments below. This is also important because it had come in the CBSE 2024 question paper. So just like that, we complete all three kinds of topics in linear equations. We complete graphical method, algebraic method and consistency of equations. In the following lecture, we will be completing some case based and some word problems.
So that brings us to the end of lecture 1 of pair of linear equations in two variables. Today we had covered a lot of concepts like what is a linear equation, graphical method, elimination method, algebraic method, substitution method, types of solution, number of solutions and all of that. I hope today's session was useful for you. If this was useful for you, do share it with your friends who are also preparing for their board exams. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.